Welcome again. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install XAMPP in your Ubuntu system. So first of all, open the browser and then type over here XAMPP. Then this is the website that you have to visit, www.apachefriend.org. Click over here, and as you can see, the XAMPP official website is now open in front of you. So you can download all the versions from here for different operating system, for Windows, for Linux, and for the Mac OS. So for Ubuntu we have to download this one, so just simply click over here and it will start the downloading for you. So I have already downloaded the file to save some time over here. So simply right click on the blank area and open the terminal over here. So first of all, if you type, we can see that we have to change the file permission over here. So we have read, write, and read. Okay, no worries. We can just simply type sudo and then the file name, that whatever file you have downloaded, then hit enter. It will ask you for the admin password, the root password, and then hit enter. Then we're going to type again this thing, and over here we can see that the X is now added, which was missing. Okay, so now we are going to type sudo, then XAMPP, and then hit enter, and then this pop-up should come in front of you, the installation page for the XAMPP. Then click on the forward. Okay, and then the forward over here, this is the directory where the XAMPP will be installed. Please make a note of it. It will be installed on opt and then lamp, then forward. Okay, so setup is now ready to begin install the XAMPP on your computer. So click on this, and now as you can see, it's installing. It's unpacking the files for you now. So it will be installed on your computer. Okay, so the XAMPP is now installed. You can just simply click on this option to launch it. Okay, so now we are inside of the XAMPP. As you can see, it's saying welcome to the XAMPP, and then the version number 8.2.12.0. Then you can simply check the services which are running. As you can see, the Apache Web Services is now running. You can just simply stop it, restart it, or configure it if you like. This is the FTPD, and this is the MySQL one. Okay, you can check the log over here. Okay, so you can simply visit to the applications from here if you wanted to do that. Okay, and this is the application folder. If you click over here, the application folder will be open. As I mentioned, it will be installed on the opt and the lamp. This is the folder where it's installed, so it will be open from here. And then this is the Apache friends. If you wanted to click this, it will open the Apache folder. So I'm going to type start all. From here you can do this. If you wanted to turn on all the services, or if you wanted to turn off all the services or restart all the services, you can do that. And you can see the logs over here, the application logs that you're trying to turn on or maybe making any changes. So as you can see, all the services is now green and it's running perfectly fine. So this is how you can install XAMPP in your Linux computer. So if you are still watching this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel. I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.